Welcome to my the next cars in my collection. This is going to be the last one for a while. So we have a look at this Corvette Grand Sport. We're the last one for a while, but I'm going over to US shortly, and I'll only be back in 6 months. I'm going to look for some more cars to add to my collection. Next one is another Fiat 500. So next up is the GTR, this is GTR R35. This is the Liberty Walk version. Next up we have this Plymouth Barracuda. Next up is this Corvette Stingray with the split window at the back. I can't remember if it's a C4. I can't remember, sorry. I think it might be the C4. If you do know, just comment and make a comment on the video. Next up, not quite sure. Is this another Chevelle, Dodge Chevelle? No, it can't be. Maybe Pontiac. Yeah, I think this is the Pontiac GTO again. See if I can see anything on it. It's a Dodge. Must be a Dodge Charger. Of course, it's a Dodge Charger. We have another Fiat 500. The Chevelle SS. And we've got the Lamborghini Centenario Roadster. And we've got the Pagani Zonda R. Got the Corvette Stingray. Got this Honda Civic. have this Ferrari 308 done by Corgi. I'm sure you remember this from Magnum. And we have this Pagani Hura in a nice metallic purple. Speckle flame paint. We have a Dodge Charger, 1971. Came out the same year I did. And then we have another Honda Civic. We have a McLaren W1, sorry, McLaren W1. And here we have a Ford Mustang GT. And here we have a Skyline. It's a C210, but known as the 2000 GT. Or 2000 GTR. Here we have the Camaro, the IROC Z28. Next up is this Ferrari SF90 Stradale. We have another Fiat 500. Like I said, this is my mom's favorite car. Next one I think is another, I'm sure this is another Judge, Pontiac GTO. Next is this customized Porsche Carrera. Next up is this Camaro SS. Next we have this Jaguar Project 8. I'm sure you remember this from Fast and Furious as well. Next up we have this Ford Galaxy. The last one we're going to look at for a while is this Ford Escort RS1600. Like I said, this is my favorite casting by Hot Wheels. I really like this casting. Probably because it was one of my favorite cars as a kid. It still is one of my favorite cars.